What's up everyone and welcome to Double Down Sunday. Just started playing this awesome new game called Fall Guys on Steam. So today we're going to be drawing the awesome new chicken skin. So grab a pen and a piece of paper and let's go. Let's get started at the very top of our page with the lower beak. So we start over on the left side and draw a curve that comes down in the middle and then back up on the right, almost like a half circle. And then we'll connect the ends with a curve that goes up and then back down. Now I'm going to go back to the left side and draw a half oval for the inside edge of the top beak. We'll go up, round this out, and then come back down. And then from the ends, I'm going to curve down and up with a short line. Let's trace the beak along the outside. Starting back on the left, go up in the middle, round this out, and come down on the right. Now the gizzard, which almost looks like a large raindrop, is going to get tucked in underneath the beak. So let's leave a gap in the center, go to the left side, we're going to curve down and then out. Let's round this out almost like a circle, going back up on the right side, pull that in, curve in and then up underneath the beak. Let's layer a large circle in behind the gizzard. Starting on the left, it's going to go out toward the left side, come down toward the bottom, go back up on the right. Just going to pull this up and in towards the right side of the gizzard. Let's draw two ovals on either side for the eyes. Let's start on the left. Draw in a large oval. Now we're going to line this up on the right. Do the same thing. And then we'll fill the eyes in black. Now we're going to move back up to the side of the beak and draw on the outside of the head. Let's start on the left. I'm just going to curve the head going out. And we'll just pull that down to right about there. Let's line this up on the right and do the same thing. We're going to go out, round out the head, and then come down to the same height. And then we'll tuck two large eyes on the side of the head. Let's start on the left. Just going to curve this out, round out the eye, and then pull that back in. Line this up on the right, going out, down, and then in. Let's add the pupils along the outside. Starting from the top, curve down, and then out. Line this up on the right. And then we'll fill the pupils in black. Let's add those two floppy things on top of the head. From the left side of the beak, we're going to step up. We're going to curve up, round this out, come down, and then in on top of the head on the right. Now from the bottom, we're going to step down, step over toward the left. Do that again, going out, up. We're just going to tuck this in behind. Now we're going to add the arm sockets along the base of the head. Let's start on the left side, curve in, and then back out, go to the right, go in the opposite direction, and then we'll draw the bottom edge of the head. Starting back on the left, curve down, and just hook that up. And then we'll connect the inside with a half circle. Starting back on the left, come down, round this out, and then go back up. Now we're going to tuck the body in underneath the head. Let's start on the left side, step in, and draw a half circle. Going out, down towards the bottom of the body, round this out, go up and in on the right. Let's add that pattern inside the body. Leaving a gap along the top, go to the left side, curve down and then up, move over towards the right, come down, then up. Now we're going to go up to the side and do that again. Stepping over, come down and then up. Do the same thing on the right. Let's move back to the center and down, draw another curve. Coming down and then up, and going out towards the side. Do that again. And we'll add two more along the bottom, starting on the left side and then the right. Let's tuck the feet in underneath the body, leaving a large gap in the center. Let's go to the left side, curve the leg going out, and then down towards the heel, move over towards the right, and down to the same height. And then we'll round out the bottom of the feet. Starting from the left heel, curve the foot, coming down, and then up. Now we're going to go back to the side and draw on the top of the foot. From the toe, curve the foot going up. That's going to bend this down, aiming towards the heel. And do the same thing on the right. And then from the top curve of the foot, curve the outside of the leg, coming in and then up underneath the body. Let's move back up and draw on the arms. We're going to start from the bottom of the socket, curve the arm going out, and then down towards the wrist, go over towards the right, and do the same thing. And then from the wrist, we're going to draw a small half circle for the thumb, coming in and then back out. At the end of the thumb, let's add a bracket. Now from the bottom of the thumb, we're going to curve the hand, coming down, and then up towards the outside. Now I'm just going to blend this into a curve, going up towards the top and in towards the top of the socket. Let's do the same thing over on the right. Starting from the bottom of the thumb, curve the hand, coming down, and then up. And we'll curve the arm, going up and in towards the top of the socket. And that's pretty much it. There's a chicken skin from Fall Guys. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your request in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.